all consumers, whether you're buying a car, buying a house, just wanting to know how you're doing in the world of finance, all consumers are concerned about their credit score. And there are lots of things that you can do and need to know about them. Today we're at the Sanford Institution for Savings with Kim Stewart. Welcome, Kim.
Hi, Randall.
Nice
How
to
are
see
you?
you. Kim, share some ideas and some tips for us that as homeowners, consumers, individuals would be helpful.
Well, absolutely. Credit is so important these days. And like you mentioned, there are so many different entities that pull that credit report for a number of reasons. So my tip for a customer would be to go to annualcreditreport.com. What you get from this site is the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, all report in, and you can get a great idea of where you stand. It gives you a listing of what you have for obligations and how you're paying on those. So it gives you a really good understanding of what's being reported out there on you. And if there are any errors or mistakes, it helps you take the actions needed to correct and get that cleaned up.
I've been dealing with SIS for about the last 5 years because I decided to start the biggest project of my life.
Tell us a little bit about that.
It was to build the house of my dreams up in Waterboro, and I had no idea how to go about it, and Kim Stewart got me started. When I first entertained the idea of building this house, I knew that I didn't know the right steps to take first, and Kim guided me through all of that. She gave me an overview 2 years before we even started the house. And after that, then I knew I had check-in times with her as to what to do next and whether or not I was on track.
The other thing too is that a lot of people ask questions, you know, should I pay off loans? Should I take care of bills? Understanding that each of the credit bureaus have their own formulas for creating your credit score. As an example, I had a customer not too long ago that when I pulled his report, I had a score in the 800s, a 700, and a 600 because each individual bureau scores differently. So that's why it's very important to check the report and see what the information is.
Oh, that's really valuable information, Kim. Thank you very much.
It is.
Good. Thank
you.
And we'll be back to learn more.
Absolutely.
Terrific. Thank you. So as you can see, as a consumer, whether you're buying, whether you're selling, whether you're just checking on your credit, it's important to be aware of what the credit report companies are saying about you. Using Kim's ideas is really, really helpful. Simon says, Sanford Institution for Savings, they're here to help.
I would definitely come to SIS if I was entertaining any such project, or for that matter, any banking need that you've got, because they answer all your questions and they tell you why. You get all your needs met at SIS.